I was just cleaning my room, and I found something which is like gold, and I wanted to share that with you is because trust me, in some time your hope about growing in career is going to go 2-3 times more. Okay, so what happened was I was just cleaning my room and I found this very old file of mine, okay, which had all old papers, and I wanted to clear half of it so that I know what I have and what I don't need. But while I was doing that, I found this paper in this. It says pay slip for the month of May 2005, and this was my first employer after my college, that's HSBC. Okay, and what I found and what I was smiling at is it says everything. By the way, for freshers and for people who don't know what is a pay slip is a statement that companies give you on how much was your pay for the entire month and what were the deductions and what was your take home. And back in 2005, this used to be in a printed copy like this, okay, and nowadays majority of the companies have made it electronic, right? Now the funny part, what you need to learn or what you need to know is the total amount. It says that I earned after working the entire month is easily beaten by this company, which I joined after HSBC in 2007. I joined them. That's the company, and this is my original offer letter. And if you are a fresher, when you get yours, it's as if you have just landed on the moon, right? So this offer letter, the salary that this offer letter talks about is 2 times the salary that I had 2 years back when I got this offer letter. Okay, so that's something that I wanted to share, but the story doesn't end here. Okay, so then the same file has one more document, which is through a consultant or consultancy that I worked as a consultant with them. Okay, and I signed this document in 2019, and this document says for every working day that I work with them, the amount of money that I will make is every working day, the amount of money that I will be making will be actually 2 times of my first salary, right? Which means the entire month what I worked and I got as my salary, I would make 2 times of that in a single day working with this client. And this was in 2019. Okay, so in about 15 years, the financial growth has gone from what I used to make in the entire month, twice of that I will be making in a single day. Now, why am I sharing this with you, and why am I so happy in sharing with you is, if you know my story, I am a very average guy from a very average college who was hungry to grow, right? And and in about 15 years time, the time and the skills that are earned has happened in such a way that the growth is enormous. So what does this tell you is, it doesn't matter where you start, it doesn't matter where you are today. What matters is your direction. So you can be a fresher, you can be somebody who's already looking for a job or already joined a job, or you might be somebody who's already in a job for the last 5 years, 10 years. All I'm telling you is, next 5 to 10 years, where you will be, how much money you will be making, what position you will be in, whether you'll be working for yourself or handling a business or managing a business for another company, it all depends on where you're heading. So what you're earning today doesn't matter, and it has nothing to do with how much you'll be earning after 5 years. So that's the only message that I wanted to share with you. God bless and have fun, guys. Bye-bye.